this chapter we will do the problems using the angles, trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. Just as first of all you remember that sine 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta, cos 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta, tan 90 minus theta is equal to cot theta, cot 90 minus theta is equal to tan theta, secant 90 minus theta is equal to secant theta, cosecant 90 minus theta is equal to secant theta. This you have to remember. And one more table is there, just as theta 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. Sine, cos, tan, cot, secant and cosecant. First of all, sine 0 is 0. Sine 30 is 1 by 2. 1 by 2. 45 is 1 over under root 2. 60 is under root 3 by 2. 90 is 1. Then cos will be the reverse of the sine. 1 under root 3 by 2. 1 over under root 2. 1 over 2 and 0. Tan is sine over cos. 0 over 1, 0. This over this 1 over under root 3. This over this 1. This under root 3 and this infinity. Infinity means does not exist. Then cot is the converse. Infinity under root 3, 1, 1 over under root 3 and 0. Secant is 1 over cos, 1 over 1, 1, 2 over under root 3, under root 2, 2 and 1. 0, infinity this is. Mean does not exist. Secant is reverse of the secant, or you can say 1 over sine. You can do anything way. Infinity, 2 under root 2, 2 over under root 3 and 1. This table you have to remember. Now there is the first question. Without using trigonometric table, we have to show something. Just as question number 1, first part, tan 10 degree, tan 15 degree, tan 75 degree, tan 80 degree is equal to 1. This one we have to show. So you can choose left hand side. Tan 10 is, you can write it 90 minus 80. Tan 50, tan 90 minus 75. Then tan 75, tan 80 is equal. Tan 90 minus 80, cot 10. Tan 90 minus 75, tan 75. Sorry, cot 75. Tan 75, you can write it cot 1 over cot 75. Tan 80, 1 over cot 80. This will cut to this 2, it is equal to 1. Mean left hand side is equal to right hand side. Now there is a second question. We have to express each of the terms in angles between 0 to 45. First question is there, sine 59 degree plus tan 63 degree. We have to convert them in 0 to 45 degree angle. So this one you can write sine 90 minus 31 is also 59 plus tan 90 minus 27 is also 51. So it means sine 90 minus theta, cos theta plus tan 90 minus theta, cot theta is your. These you can see that these are angle in between 0 to 45. Question number 4 is there. For a triangle ABC, you have to prove sine A plus B over 2 is equal to cos C. Now, ABC is a triangle, it means angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180. So here angle A plus angle B is equal to 180 minus angle C. So you can say that here is A plus B. You can choose left hand side. Sine 180 minus angle C over 2. This one you can write sine 180 over 2, 90 minus angle C over 2. Here it becomes sine 90 minus theta. Sine 90 minus this C over 2. 90 minus theta means cos theta. Cos C over 2. This is your right hand side. Mean left hand side is equal to right hand side. Question 5's first part is there. We have to prove or evaluate the value 3 sine 72 degree over cos 18 degree minus secant 32 degree over cosecant 58 degree. We have to evaluate it. So then you can write 3 sine 90 minus 18 over cos 18 minus secant 90 minus 58 over cosecant 58. Then 3 sine 90 minus 8 cos 18 over cos 18 minus cosecant 58 over cosecant 58. Result 3 minus 1, 2 is your answer. Question number 7 is there. Sin x is equal to sin 60 degree cos 30 degree cos 60 degree sin 30 degree. We have to find the value of the x. So sin x is equal to sin 60 is our. So sin 60 is under root 3 by 2. Cos 30 is under root 3 by 2. Minus cos 60 is 1 by 2. Sin 30 is 1 by 2. 3 by 2, 4 minus 1 by 4. 2 by 4, 2, 2. Means sin x is equal to 1 by 2. Now you have to notice that on which angle sin x is 1 by 2. It is on 30 degrees. So mean x is equal to 30 degrees is your answer. So solve the other question of this exercise. If there is any problem, you can contact me. Thank you.